Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to change the double-click window Titlebar Action toggle in Linux Mint. This instantly customizes what happens when you double-click the top header bar of any app window, allowing you to maximize, minimize, or lower windows with a fast double tap. Open your system menu by clicking the Linux Mint logo in the bottom left corner of your taskbar. Type Windows into the search bar and click the Windows icon from the results to open the panel. When the configuration window pops up, click directly on the Titlebar tab at the top. Look down at the Actions section and locate the row labeled Action on Titlebar double-click. Click the drop-down menu on the right side of that row which currently says Toggle Maximize. Select your new trigger behavior from the list, such as Minimize, Lower, or None, to change the action. Linux Mint applies these window layout rules globally in real time, the exact millisecond you click your choice. There is no save button needed, so just click the X button at the top corner to close the panel. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.